Hey, welcome back to another video. This is going to be another LV unboxing, but this one is actually purchased from Poshmark. It is brand new, but I did decide to buy it off a reseller. You guys will know why I bought it off a reseller in a minute. But what I like about Poshmark, no, this video is not sponsored, but what I do like about Poshmark, I have bought in different things from them before, and what I love is that they authenticate everything. So if you guys haven't seen my other unboxing from Poshmark, everything's authenticated. They write their initials of the person who made sure it's authentic, and it always comes with these cards. They always get sent if it's over $500, which I always buy stuff that's over $500. It gets sent to them to get it authenticated. So I'm super excited about this. I bought it to match my multi-pochette. As you guys can see, they wrap it really nice because it doesn't come with a, this one wasn't going to come with a dust bag because it was from a bag. So, as you guys can see, it's in like this like aqua, I don't even know how to explain it, like a light blue, greenish, I don't know, color. But what I love about it, look, it has like pink. You guys can kind of see. It's probably hard, but oh, there we go. So it has pink gold hardware. And this one, and it also has pink right here where you can hold the key pouch. So I'll put a link below so you guys can see. This strap actually comes with, I believe, 3 different bags this season. Yeah, I think like 3 bags. I'll put pictures below, above so you guys can see. But yeah, it's so beautiful. I really wanted it, but I didn't want to buy the bag. Plus the bag did sell out, so I just wanted the strap. And the reason I wanted the strap is because if you guys have been following me or know a little bit of my channel or seen my unboxings, I do own the same strap in pink, which this was from my multi-pochette accessory, which came with it. Then I also purchased this one from a reseller in the dark green as well. It was brand new. And same thing, they all have to put the coin pouch. If you guys don't know which one I'm talking about, it's the little round one that comes with the strap. And then this one, of course, I bought it off LV. And this one came with a reversed mono coin purse, but I don't need so many coin purses. I don't. So I just decided to get 2 of them. So I have the mono in here. Actually, let me show you guys. Okay, so this is what I mean. I have the regular monogram, and then I have the reverse, which the reverse came with the black strap, but it matches all of them. So same goes there. So I can use it for my bags in so many ways. So yeah, that's why I bought it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I will see you guys till the next video.